I'm Group C member. My name is Lucas, and followed by Benny and Cyrus. And I will show the question B for the assignment that I done for the goodness of fit test. And this is my table. And step 1, we do the hypothesis. As given, the weight of standard tablet is 350 normal distribution, and the standard deviation is 40 milligrams. So we get the data from the no frequency table that I have done from here, extract, and I also do for the ANOVA factor, and this just ignore it. And here is the frequency that I get from the group number and label that I have grouped from starting 310 and 400, and they will count by the 10 differences, okay, for the grouping, so that I can count for my probability. And my n is 200. This is the graph that is shown for the wet tablet that have been do during the shift, and how many they have done during the shift for the frequency. Okay, then I will start to do the fitness test procedure. Hypnosis that x equal to n. My normal distribution is 350 and the standard deviation is 14, and using the formula that given the hypothesis like this, so I type like this, and after that I do the step 2, the following the square test that given the formula like the observation minus the expectation, and square 2, then divide the expectation. And when I need to find the probability, I need to use the expectation equal to the n doctor multiply the probability. And for this case, the probability didn't have been given. So when I do, this is my table that I extract from the frequency table that I do, and the probability that I have calculated from the using the statistic table. And so I get the observation and my expectation and my square test. As we know, if our expectation is less than 5, so we need to add up this one and this one to be more than expectation more than 5, and from this lower part, this 3, and here my observation also changing to the new one, and this one also changed to the new one after I adding it, and others still maintain the same, so I need to calculate my x squared test, new x squared test total, and the sum of the test is 200 also. I sum out, so I do it now. So the decimal, I put 2 decimal. This is my new observation, and this is my new and my x squared test new. So I need to recalculate this part. This one change to the new this one also the new expectation and divide to the new expectation. Okay, so I get the new. And these all are my latest assumption due to for decimal place. Okay, after that I total of x square, I sum it up. This is my x square test new. So it is 39. So reject have all is f test new. Okay, assume alpha, my alpha is 0.05, so reject H all. Okay, so this one I need to key in. We count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my K is 7. This one 7. Probability as this one didn't given, so both the normal distribution and standard deviation given, so the probability is 0 and minus 1, so I can get 6. So 6 refer to the statistic book. The number of 6 t-square distribution for the v is 6, so we need to find 11.0705. So the f 9939 more than 11.05. The assumption for me failed to reject hash not because the number of failed to reject hash none as does not follow the end as I state here, because x square test new is less than x square alpha kv of the distribution. That's all.